Let charity and love prevail. Their God is ever found, brought here together by Christ's love. By love are we thus bound. With grateful joy and holy fear, His charity we learn. Let us with heart and mind and soul now love Him in return. Forgive we now each other's faults, as we our faults confess, and let us love each other well in Christian holiness. Let's strive